Hey there! If you've ever been met with that frustrating "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to get back online and browse smoothly, even when things get a little glitchy. Let's dive straight into the process. First up, check your internet connection. It sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how often the issue is just your Wi-Fi or data dropping out for a moment. Double-check that you're actually connected. If you're on Wi-Fi, look for that signal icon at the bottom right of your screen, or on your phone, at the top. If you're using mobile data, make sure it's toggled on and you've got coverage. Oh yeah. Sometimes, simply toggling airplane mode on and off can reset things. Many times, a disconnected network is the culprit, so don't skip this step. If your connection is good, but the website still won't load, go ahead and reload the page. You can do this by hitting Ctrl+R on your keyboard or by clicking that circular refresh button next to the address bar. Occasionally, web pages just need a little nudge. Maybe the connection was interrupted or the page timed out, and a reload can clear up temporary glitches. Think of this like giving your browser a quick shake to snap it back into action. Now, if things still aren't improving, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Your cache is kind of like Chrome's short-term memory. It stores pieces of websites to make them load faster. But sometimes, old or corrupted cached files can mess things up. To clear yours in the Chrome address bar, type Chrome/settings clear browser data and hit enter. Here, you'll see an option for cached images and files. Just select that, then click clear data. Don't worry, this won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, just the temporary files. It might take a moment, and your most visited sites may load a bit slower the first time after this, but it's a good way to make sure you're working with a clean slate. Up next, let's flush your DNS cache. DNS is like the internet's phone book. It translates website names into actual IP addresses. Sometimes the info stored gets outdated or scrambled, causing those annoying errors. To clear it, press the Windows key plus R to open the run box, type CMD, then hit enter. You'll see a black command prompt window pop up. Here, type ipconfig flushdns and hit enter. You should see a message confirming it's been cleared. This refresh typically helps Chrome find sites correctly again, especially if you've recently changed networks or the site has moved servers. After that, restart Chrome. It's simple but effective. Just close out of every browser window, wait a few seconds, and then reopen Chrome. This lets the browser start fresh and can resolve lingering errors, kind of like rebooting your computer after making changes. If you followed all these steps and the problem is still hanging around, don't worry. There's one last thing to try. Head over to Chrome/settings reset in your browser. Here, click on Restore Settings to Default. What this does is reset Chrome's settings back to how they were when you first installed the browser. It won't delete your history, bookmarks, or passwords, but it will clear out any misbehaving extensions, bad configurations, or hidden glitches that might be causing trouble. This step is like giving Chrome a fresh start. Now, after all these steps, your sites should load just fine. If you run into any more issues, feel free to drop your question in the comments. I'm always here to help. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more how-tos and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck browsing.